Hey everyone, thank you very much for joining today. I know it has been a very long time since I've been around, so thought it fitting to start with the song that kind of makes sense, right? It took me a long time to get back on the train, so really cool tune. I've never learned this one before, just decided to pick this one up randomly. It's a lot of fun to play, not too terribly difficult, so we will hop into the chords and the rhythm. And as always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and look at these chords. So we're starting on an F9, very cool chord. I love these 9 chords. So we're starting here, middle finger is on the 8th fret here of the A, index finger is on the 7th of the D, you got ring finger on the 8th of the G, and pinky on the 8th of the B. That is your F9. So you got that chord, then we've got B flat, so just barring that 6th fret. So barring that 6th fret there, middle finger is on the it's on the 7th fret here of that G, and you've got pinky on the 8th of the D, and ring on the 8th of the A. So standard B flat, move that up to 2 frets to your A flat, and then you've got an E flat, and that's just barring the 7th and the that's barring the 6th and the 8th frets here. Okay, so chords again real quick. F9, B flat, A flat, and an E flat. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the intro, just playing on this F9 here. Here's how I like to do it. Okay, so starting out, you're going to hit that root note. Now I like to do a little hammer-on into that root note. So from the 7th fret of that A, I like to do, so it's a hammer, then hitting it, and then going into the chord. Okay, and so what I'm doing there, once I hit that root, going down strum, up, and then up strum. That's really the most important part of the song, is to kind of get that rhythm down the way that you want to play it, honestly, because I've heard this song played a ton of different ways. Right, so you do that a bunch during the verse, and so then after that a couple times, you get your B flat, to A flat, back to the F9. And then for the turnaround, E flat, B flat, A flat, F9. So I'll go ahead and play through that here a little slow. E. Really, really cool song. It's a lot of fun to play around with. And then, if you're just wanting to mess around, you can play around with this F9 a lot as well. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining. I really do appreciate it. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and I'll see you guys again soon.